Hello, my name is Clarence Anthony, CEO and Executive Director of the National League of Cities. I want to thank you for your leadership during these trying times. Here at NLC, we know that many of you have been making difficult decisions every day since the beginning of this pandemic. Today, I'm hoping to help you make an easy decision. I want to highlight our savings and solutions partner, HomeServe, who manages our service line warranty program. Marking its 10th year as a partner, I believe this program can be an asset to your city during this challenging time. In addition to the protection for your residents on their service lines, the Service Lines Warranty Program also offers revenue streams for your municipality, access to grants, as well as other benefits. At a time when key programs in your city may be in jeopardy due to budget cuts, NLC invites you to consider this program and how it may benefit your citizens as well as your city. NLC is committed to providing resources that help you remain strong and resilient during this time. I encourage you to reach out to Quinisa Smith at smith@nlc.org to learn more about the Service Line Warranty Program. Please be safe and stay healthy.